We are here to talk about head gaskets. And I want to show you this in particular. This is something that we have a lot of experience with because unfortunately this keeps happening and it's very, very frustrating for all of us. This is a composite gasket. It came to us attached to a car that had no compression in 2 and 3, or very low because it's bleeding back and forth. If you're unfamiliar with these things, it's between the block and the head, and you have all kinds of pressure inside the combustion chamber, and as it burns its way through, and once you have a hole in the dike, you got a flood. In other words, this is not good. Your engine is done at this point. So you take off the head and you put in this baby, which we sell. And in fact, we're recommending that everyone, no matter what high-tech special head gasket someone told you you gotta have, if it's not a 3-layer metal gasket like this one, please get one of these. It's about 3 times the price, or $130 or so, but it's well worth it because of the amount of labor to take off the head and change it. So this, we have never yet seen one fail in this crucial spot. This is the thinnest point of the gasket where it's most vulnerable, and this should never fail. So you're looking for, if you're looking at your engine, wondering if you have one of these things, there are these distinctive little indicators in between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You'll see them sticking out, these little rivets. You see how there aren't any here. So that's a signal of the multi-layer gasket if it's in the car. And if you're building an engine, or if you ever have a head gasket failure, please invest in one of these. It will save you a lot of headaches down the road. These come in 30,000 thickness, which is a match for the various copper or composite gaskets that are out on the marketplace. So if you just want stock, you get the 30,000 gasket, which we sell in our parts catalog. And if for some reason you have an engine that has too much compression, maybe somebody built up a 12-to-1 race engine and you want to make it more streetable, we also sell a 60 and a 90,000th gasket on our product page on our website, and you can find those there at Bug Eye Guys. And thank you for watching today. Have a good one. Right, Bode?